everybody. Lewis here. Rshackbbq and other things. So, told myself I wasn't going to do it. Never ever. Not going to do it. But I did it. What did I do? Well, got it in there in the Rshack testing facility. Let's go take a look at it.
Regulators! Mount up!
Alright, so what did I do? Well, I bought something. What did I buy? A box. Oh, what does that say on it? Thermoworks? Really? So, you know, I have quite a few thermometer probe systems, and I like them all. There's a couple I don't like, and I've never showed them, but for the most part, everyone I've bought, I've really liked. I like the Inkbird I have. I like the Weber iGrills I have. I like the Smart Row cooking thermometer I have. But Thermoworks went and did it. They sent me an email. And they offered 35% off on ones that were store models, displays, and things like that. Still has the same factory warranty and everything like that. It just may not be in the original box. So I went ahead and bought one. And we got it here. We're going to test it out. We're going to set it up and we're going to take a look at this thing. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we've got the packing slip. You can send us some jelly bellies. Delicious. Big old thick book of product. Wow. Let's open this up. Now, mine actually came with the original box. I got it in red. So, you move all this out. Get the jelly bellies. Nice. That's all that's in this box. Let's move this out of the way. Take a look at this box. Thremoworks Smoke 300-foot range wireless receiver dual channel. So this only has 2 channels. I looked at their XL that I can get 4 channels, and I don't know. I just decided I would try this first, and then if I want to upgrade someday, I will. But for now, this is all I need. So let's open this up and see what it comes with. All right. Open it up. Comes in a nice plastic. Oh, look at there. Actually have the instructions for it. Very nice. So this is the receiver that you can have in your house 300 feet away and it's still communicating. You have your main transmitter right here. 2 channels. Set, on, off. Volume. It has a backlight. It's magnetic. It looks like it's magnetic. Let's see. Yep, magnetic. Cool. Got some different presets on the back here. Very cool. That's where the probes go. Let's see what it comes with. So it also comes with a lanyard of some kind. Very cool. Then you have, this would be your pit probe here. And then it comes with one internal meat probe. It's like a standard connector. You probably have more of these style of probes around. I think the one from the Smart Row seems to be the same design. If I wanted to, I could use that on it. Very nice. So let's start with this. It must come with batteries because there's a little pull tab on it. I'll take the front cover off first. Put that in there. Let's pull this out. And then it comes with a 300 foot range wireless receiver dual channel. So this only has 2 channels. I Right there. Batteries. I thought I'd have to buy batteries. Right now it's not connected. It's over here. Right now it's not connected because I don't have a transmitter on it. I'm going to take this off. There, you can see. Once again, it has a little pull tab there for the batteries. Oops, I heard noise. Right now it's just beeping because there's nothing hooked up. I'm going to stick a probe in. We're going to put, I'm sure this is 1. We're going to put this in 1, the temp probe. And then our meat probe, or our pit probe, I'm going to put in 2. Let's see. So right there, you can see it's now read both of them, 72 degrees out here today. Very cool. So, now I'm a proud owner of a smoke from Thermoworks, and we're going to try this out. I'm going to do some chicken. We're going to do them up on the Rshackbbq. We're going to have the Rshackbbq probe in part of the chicken, and then we're going to have the smoke probe and the pit probe in there, so we can see how accurate it is compared to what the Rshackbbq says. Stick around. So I've rinsed and patted the bird dry, and what we're going to do is we are going to try and do something that I saw Chef Johnny do over at Texas Style Cuisine and Barbecue. He's a trained professional chef, and what he did is he cut the backbone off of it. So I have a pair of shears here. Let's see if we can do this. Up in here as best we can, like so. And on this side, and get backbone cut out of here. We don't get our fingers. All right, that out. So there's that. Leave it there. And what he did is he took this breastplate out right here. Now I've got the Rshackbbq coming up to temp. I'm going to set it at 350 for this cook. Get this all seasoned up. Got some slices. So, ooh, almost lost my lemon. Down here. Walk up and down in there. Blend herbs here. Some sage, got on there. You got some thyme on it, and then of course our rosemary. Down on it, like so. At this point, we're going to let the Rshackbbq come up to temp, and we'll get these on there. We'll get the probes in, one from the smoke and one from the Rshackbbq. Just let them go until they hit like 165. Got the corn, I'm going to have to put that on. I'll probably put that on when it hits about 145. Corn's only going to take about 15-20 minutes, so we'll get that on in there, and we'll go from there. We want to set it. So we're going to move it up. High alarm. We want to set the high alarm at 400. But we shouldn't hit 400. I have it set at 360. So let's just set it at 365. Right now it says 205. You can see here the outdoor temp is 78. Right now it's 210. It's climbing. So I want it to alarm me at 155. Right now we're at 55 degrees. On the Rshackbbq, we come over here. You can see set point's 360, actual is 303. The probe A, which is our meat, is at 50 degrees. And this says 55. So let's let it ride for a while. Okay, let's see if this light works. Oh, there we got light. I'm actually going to change this. I want it to beep at me at 145. That way I know that's when I want to put the corn on. So we'll set it to 145 and let it go. Right now it's at 85. Alright, let's turn on the little receiver. See how quickly it picks up. Alright, so it says the grill's at 292 and we're at 86. Now I don't know if you noticed where I put that probe for the pit. It's along the back edge. Along the back. It's along the back edge. Let's open this up. So it's back in there. Whereas Rshackbbq one's over here, that's over there. It just goes back up. And right now, Rshackbbq says it's at 360 and the chicken is probing at 90. And this says 86. So it looks like the internal temp probes are really close. Right now we're just having an issue with the pit. And it could be just the location of it, so it's not as hot as over in the left corner where the probe for the pit for the Rshackbbq is. So let's just see if this thing will read all the way in the house. Okay, we're back in my little desk area, and it seems to be reaching to here just fine. It says the pit's at 305 and the chicken's at 91. So we'll just let it go, and when it alerts me, we'll go out and corn on. Okay, we've hit our 145 on these. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to set this now to 160. Let's just say 168. Set. See how quickly this thing picks up on that. Still waiting. Oops, there it goes. I silenced it. Now it's up to 168. Let's see if we can get that there. You can see now I have it to 168. The grill, it says, is running at 326. You know, I have it set at 360. So there's a little variance there, but not enough to worry about. So let's get this corn on. Bird halves, corn in there. Okay, we hit our 168. Let's get looking at these chicken halves. See what they look like. Silence this for a moment. Alright, let's open these up. Got a quick read. Let's see what this says. Alright, here's our finished chicken. Let's just cut us a little bite of it. See what it comes out like. It's on there right now. It is so juicy. That's good chicken right there. Let's take a look at this corn on the cab. Don't know if I can do a bite. Look how that all comes off. All right, let's just try a bite. Wow. No butter needed. That's amazing. All right, I won't eat in front of you, but that is some good meal right there. Good eats, as some people say. So let me talk about this for a minute. Talk about my new smoke from Thermoworks. What do I think about it? Well, I love how it feels very industrial, which is kind of nice. I really like that. I do like the receiver too. I was all over my house, never lost connection. Perfect. Just what I wanted. So that's awesome. And you know, for accuracy, they were within 5 degrees, so I can't complain. I can't complain about that. But why did I go with the smoke? Well, one of the big reasons is if you go to Thermoworks, all they do is timers and thermometers and temperature alarm equipment. There's a few other ones out there that are around this price range that are probably just as good, but they're sold through other companies. Whereas this is sold through Thermoworks and they stand behind their product. That is the reason why I went with it, is because that's all they do, is this type of equipment. I really like it. Very happy with it too. Anyhow, I hope you like my little review of my new smoke, and you know, if you like them, go check them out. I bought this one with my own money, so I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. Just what I went with. You know, this chicken, I'm getting hungry, so I better stop this because I could talk all day. Well, as I always say, thank you for watching. Grill on, my friends. It's not that hard. Till next time.